6 minutes.
19 to shoot. Muda. Oh, latak. Oh, no. Pink.
Pink. Picar, nag-aaral na papasan, trinable pa. Number 29, Picar, pass to Bautista. Bautista. Pass to Picar. Pass to Easy. 2 points.
Abasulo.
2 points. 2 points po.
Boys, fixing na.
Sinyas na. Pasensya. Tirado, nakakuha ng foul, counted by Tirado. Once foul rep. Yang ready.
Shoot guys. Lagi na ba?
Tirado, kinababa ang bola. Tirado. Inira. Rebound by Yonzon. Bautista. Pass to brother Bautista. Pass to Abasolo. Number 11, pass to 18 Bautista. 10 to shoot. Four minutes 33 remaining time. Nicole, pass to Ezra, pass to Suarez. Suarez, wala. Rebound by Ezra, pass to Tirado, tumira ng 3. No good. $68 and 64 favor of Pink. Abasolo. Pass to Pigar. Tumira. No good. Pass to Pigar ulit. No good.
Kunin mo datang. Buti sa amin, may tres.
Wala, 3. Abasolo, dribbling the ball. Number 11, pass to Bautista. Bautista, naghanap ng papasan, pass to Serwan. Tumira ng 3. Easy. 3 points. 3 minutes and 23 seconds. 68, 69 in favor of red team. And the shoot. Tumira ng 2, no good. Naghanap ng papasan. Pass to Nicole, pass to Dulatre, tumira ng 3. No good. Pass to Tirado. Two minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Pass to Ezra. Lumay up, easy 2 points. 70-71 in favor of red team. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. 15 shot clock. And the shoot.
Amoy itong tawag.
Nakakuha ng foul by red team.
Sa rin na pala niya, wala pang naraksa.
Errado. Pass to Nicole, sumalaksak. No goal.
Itin.
Bautista. Bautista dribbling the ball. Bautista. Bautista. Pass to Bautista again. Tumira ng 3, no good. Rebound by Tirado.
Oras 1:25.
Tumira ng 3. No good.
Oras.
1 minute and 20 seconds. Remaining time. One minute. Foul. Number.
Ano na? Commentator.
Opo.
Ito, bakit malagyan na isa?
Shout out pala sa Tagalog natin. Dominic Abasola. Okay ka lang? 70-73 in favor of red team. Tirado. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Nakakuha ng foul.